So today's makeup is going to be an everyday makeup look. You can wear this outside, in your office, when you're going for a walk, when you're sitting at home, where you actually don't need makeup. But you can wear this anywhere and it will look perfect on you. So let's get started. Now I have already moisturized my face, so I'm going to prime it, and for priming I'm using the inside primer. I'm taking a pea-sized amount, rubbing between my fingers, and applying. Now if you're wondering why I'm looking here, I have my mirror out here, so that is why I'm looking there. So we will not be doing any color correction or anything. Instead we are going to first conceal. For the concealer we are using the Swiss Beauty liquid concealer. Taking a small amount and applying. Using our finger, we are going to just blend it out. We are just dabbing and then blending it out. So even though you don't dab properly right now, it's okay because we'll be using a beauty blender to dab it again. Now I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation tube in the shade 3110 Sun Beige. Just slightly dotting it. You can see I am avoiding the areas where I have used the foundation. Where I have used the concealer. Then I use my beauty blender and I blend it out. Then I use my Stay Quirky mini contour stick and I contour. This is almost over. I have to buy a new contour stick. Then using the same beauty blender, I blend it out. I'm going to set my face with the ITEX Dazzler Compact Powder. For my eyeshadow, I'll be using just this one product. It is the NY Bae Blinking Eyeshadow in the shade Blueprint 6. It is this bronzy shade with shimmers in it. So I'll pick up with my brush, dust off the excess, and then apply. Then I take the NY Bay, the apple of my eye kohl pencil. And I draw above the lash. Using the same eyeshadow brush, I am gently smudging it. Then I line my lower eyelid. You can choose to smudge it, you can opt to not smudge also, it is according to your wish. Then I take the eyeshadow on the brush, tap off the excess and gently pull it downwards. You don't want to go to the whole edge, just like 3/4, that's enough. Then using an eyelash curler, you can curl your lashes. For the mascara, I'm using the Inside mascara. I have not applied on my lower lashes since this mascara takes some time to set. So I will let it set and then I will apply on my lower lashes. I will not be applying any falsies today because this is a very simple look. It is not a glam look or anything. It is a very simple look. For my blush, I'll be using the Blue Heaven Diamond Blush. This is the shade. Now for highlighting certain points, I'm using this same eyeshadow. It is not necessary to highlight. For the lipstick, I'll be using the L18 lipstick, which is in the shade Rust Rage. I have already moisturized my lips, so that is why I'm directly applying it. Now I'm going to set my makeup with a setting spray. So this is the final look and I hope you like it.